How to cancel pending transaction on Steam. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your pending transaction on Steam. So first of all, just open your browser and here on the search bar, just search for Steam. And after that, just click on the first link that you see. And here on the Steam website, just log into your account. And once you're logged into your account, you will see this profile with your name at the right side of the screen. So just click onto your name and here on the drop down menu, just click on accounts detail. And here on this page, you will see your store and purchase history. And under that store and purchase history, you can see on the right, view purchase history. So just click on view purchase history. And here on this page, you will see the list of transaction that you have made in order to buy different games. So just select the transaction that is pending. And once you select your pending transaction, just click on cancel the purchase pending. And once you cancel the purchase pending, your pending transaction will be cancelled from your Steam account. So this is how you will be able to cancel your pending transaction on Steam, and after that you can go ahead and buy new games.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.